ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മളിന്ന് പോകുന്നത് കുവൈറ്റിലെ മിറർ ഹൗസിലേക്കാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് പോയിട്ട് മിറർ ഹൗസിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങളും വിശദമായിട്ടുള്ള വിവരങ്ങളും കണ്ടിട്ട് വരാം. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ കമൻറ്റ്സ് എൻ്റെ മുന്നോട്ടുള്ള വ്ലോഗിങ്ങിന് വളരെയധികം ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലയേറിയ നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കുവൈറ്റിലെ മിറർ ഹൗസിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങളിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം.
കുവൈറ്റിൽ സ്ഥിതി ചെയ്യുന്ന മിറർ ഹൗസ് ഖലീഫയുടെയും ലിദിയയുടെയും വീടാണ്. ഈ വീടിനെ ഇത്ര മനോഹരമായി ഗ്ലാസ് ചിത്രങ്ങളാൽ നിർമ്മിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ലിദിയ തന്നെയാണ്. മിറർ ഹൗസ് കാണാൻ മുതിർന്നവർക്ക് 3 കേടിയും കുട്ടികൾക്ക് 2 കേടിയുമാണ് പ്രവേശന ഫീസ്. നേരത്തെ തന്നെ ഈ കാണുന്ന ഫോൺ നമ്പറിൽ വിളിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ സമയം ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാണ്. കാരണം ഓരോ ബാച്ചുകളായിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ വിസിറ്റേഴ്സിനെ അനുവദിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ വളരെ മനോഹരമായി അലങ്കരിച്ച വീടിനുള്ളിലെ കാഴ്ചകൾ കാണാൻ നമുക്ക് അകത്തേക്ക് പോകാം. അകത്ത് പ്രവേശിച്ച ഉടനെ ലിദിയ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സോഫ്റ്റ് ഡ്രിങ്ക്സും ചായയും കേക്കുമെല്ലാം തന്ന് വീട്ടിലെ സ്വന്തം അതിഥിയെ പോലെ സ്വീകരിച്ചു. വളരെ ഉത്സാഹത്തോടും ഉന്മേഷത്തോടും അവരുടെ പ്രായത്തെ വകവയ്ക്കാതെ അവർ മിറർ ഹൗസിൻ്റെ ഹിസ്റ്ററിയെക്കുറിച്ച് വിവരിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി.
The whole story started in 72. Let me please, my darling, have something. The whole story started in 72 when my daughter started to go to school and wanted their own room. So we gave her that room. That was a sitting room. This was a kitchen. And that thing was a balcony. So we turned the balcony to kitchen. This was a little room. The men destroyed the wall, paid the whole thing and gone. Did not pass 1 week, the builder left. I started to see writing on the wall over here. My daughter failed her job with writing, no kids over there, you know, and now she started to go out. So I tried to clean it. The trouble is that this is emulsion paint. If you wash it, it comes off. I didn't know it. So they had a big patch of the original color. So instead of painting the wall, because my daughter would do everywhere, so it's not the point, I thought to have a permanent solution. My permanent solution was to have wooden panel onto the wall and cover the wooden panel with mirror like this. I done this in 66 as a surprise to my husband. 66 it was the opening of the Kuwaiti embassy, and every time my husband was abroad, when he was coming back, he found something new. When this thing needed paint, I looked for paint, I couldn't find any. But I had a big mirror, my daughter broke. So I broke it anymore and I attached. Hopefully my husband doesn't say a thing. When he came back, he liked it. So when I started to do the wooden panel, I would take to do the same thing. I take the mirror, let it go and stick it. Whatever comes. The bigger the piece, the better. Why? Because she can write on the big one, and the easier I can clean it. Now you got a little girl, believe me, she will do the same thing.
Yeah, they do. I have one, a freshly painted bedroom, and that came out an hour later, it had scribbles.
There you go. So now you know, when I finish everything, okay, when I finish this room, including doors, even the door, I had a wooden panel, this is the height of the wooden panel. This door, that door, all the door, even including that outside, for the outside. Trouble when I finish everything, this room, the corridor, the room of my daughter, and another room, I started to see this place getting bad. I discovered in 81 that it was termite eating behind the panel. You know, in the state, there are a lot of termites. So now I have another situation. I will have to take everything out and start again. Oh yes. But I need my husband to be out of the country, at least to start over here. I had to be alone. I need no interruption. In 85, he had to make a conference in Baghdad. He was going to be away for 4 days. That was my ticket. As soon as I came back from the airport, I took a crew bag, I ditched it over here when it was real bad, and I forced the whole thing off. Because to screw the thing, I will lose all my time. I found a big nest of termite up there. When I cleared the nest, I found 3 cracks. Very deep cracks. So I took, I took mothball, I crushed it, I put the kerosene, and I filled it. And then I fixed it, the space, the thing. With the putty, I'm sticking the mirror with. I stick the mirror with white cement, white glue, and water. Are you interested to know how I'm doing it?
Of course.
Yeah, let you know it.
Yes.
The putty, right?
I put the thing on my hand, not there. Each little piece, I start to stick it.
Oh.
When I reach a certain position, I wash it. Because if I don't,
It will
and
stick.
it's dry, I'm not able to clean it up. When I finish everything, and it's clean and dry, then I use another putty. This time it is white cement and sand. I fill it everything, and then I do this one. This. And I fire. If there's anything protruding, it will be taken off. On the fourth, so, I got to fly, came inside with it, knocked on the door. Come with me. And this is how I make my top.
Very neat.
Oh yes.
Very, very cool.
I walk
like
on
the
mirror,
pumpkins
I
over there.
work on mirror, I eat on mirror, so everybody is everything mirror.
Very cool. I like the pumpkins over there. The pumpkin and the grape. Isn't that gorgeous? Definitely gonna be white nice for that for the tables.
If you see the kitchen so much full of things, it's because so the
Astronomy
bottom
field.
is all about astronomy.
Wow.
The top is all about the zodiac. Which is your zodiac? Ask more when you go upstairs and you'll be a little room like that filled with the lights. Yes. I like more without this one, look at it.
Yeah. Very
I like it
nice.
more like that.
Very nice.
If you see Saturn behind you, Sarah, like
Yeah.
that,
There's Saturn behind you, Saito.
it's because
coming in
you
camera.
can touch it, you can touch it, you
Camera
feel it is
parallel
very
കാണാൻ
thick
പറ്റില്ല.
phosphorus paint. Or do you like it like that?
ഈ റൂമിൽ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇത് ഇവിടെ വന്ന് തന്നെ കാണേണ്ട ഒരു സ്ഥലമാണ്. ഇത് ലൈറ്റ് ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇവിടെ വേറെ ലൈറ്റിംഗ് ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ അത് ക്യാമറയിലൊന്നും കിട്ടില്ല. പക്ഷേ സൂപ്പർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വളരെ അടിപൊളിയായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സെറ്റപ്പാണ്.
You see what's what? Young people, this is the storage room. Also over here, you got a floor like that and a wall like that to prevent termites. Okay? But this is the door. Every door was like that before. Every door. I got one here and one here. I had to take this off. I would have cut it much bigger. Bigger than this one. This is all about shark. This is a baby whale shark. It's a baby whale shark, this one. When it become big, it's 13 meters long. This one. This is a bull shark. Another shark behind you, the stingray, the same family. Come.
Ocean leverage.
Inside the sea.
Yeah, I think so.
Go inside the sea.
ഇതൊരു ബാത്റൂമാണെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ വളരെ പ്രയാസം ഉണ്ടാവും, പക്ഷേ ഇത് അവരുടെ ബാത്റൂമാണ്.
Bathroom dai meron din.
ബാത്റൂം, ഷവർ ഏരിയ,
I'd be scared to see myself though.
Wash basin down there.
That is so cool though.
Are you interested in cosmology? You are. And with those paintings, to explain the work of it, yeah. This one. This is about the Big Bang. Of course, you must have heard about the Big Bang. When matter and antimatter begin to form. After you have matter and antimatter colliding, there will be no universe. But there was just a fraction extra. That little fraction of matter is responsible for everything. After so many millions of years, we start to have the first star. But it was so massive at the time for me to just explode. Peter Flaggers of Kuwait. So the people the next door said, Lydia, you'll be in trouble. So they gave me a kind of a tin of things to cover them. After the invasion, I did them again like that, you know. But this is the color of the flag again. After I start to do like that.
Wow.
That is after in the 90s I start to do that. Which is this one.
Wow.
This one. When my husband died, and it was his wish to have the house into a museum, I had to build all around it. When they built this room, the old wall collapsed. That is the outside wall. This is the outside wall. The thing collapsed. So as the people to destroy also that one. So now they get another wall all around. Outside, I'm using the scaffold. But inside, I'm using that thing.
You are so brave. I would not get on the scaffoldings.
Oh, come on.
No.
I had a garage before, not anymore.
Siya pala yun, Jesu.
Yeah.
Is it you?
That's
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
That's her. That's why I was telling you. She's so
Very
brave to get into those
freaky.
scaffoldings right there.
In the
I would
making.
never do that.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is the new, all around, but this is that side where there is the car. That thing is all new. Here in this 2000, I can see from the thing I'm wearing. Yeah. I'm working the new thing that you see now. Yeah.
God. Yeah.
Very good.
It's not sticking, huh? Ooh, very cool.
See, when you
Wow.
do that, it's
Wow. Come on, India. Very cool. Yes, now.
Japan.
Oh, Japan. Japan, go. From the land of the rising.
Can you please come over here? You said from here to there. Then you never answer the door. After that, you take action. Can you move it?